everyone, Petals Bless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to show you how I'm going to take this vase I have here. I'm going to revamp it. I had something else on it and I just took them off, and now I am going to just spruce it up again to make something new and fresh. So I'm going to show you how you can take items, shop your home, and revamp them and make them into something new. A brand new decor for the fall. And to cover up the mess I have on the bottom, I'm going to use some of this crushed glass along with some Mod Podge and put it along the bottom of the vase. So this step is very easy and simple. Just follow along and you'll see what to do. Okay, it's been a few hours and our vase is dry, so we're going to go over again with some more Mod Podge to help seal in our crushed glass. And now our crushed glass is all sealed in and dried. So I will be using some of this spiked bling here along with some red mirrored tiles that I got from BB Craft. So I'm just going to be using some hot glue and lay our spike tiles going all the way around the vase. And now our mirrored tiles have the self-adhesive on the back, and we'll be placing them again, going right around our vase. And now I'm putting some more mirrored tiles at the very top. And here's our finished look. I love how it turned out. Isn't that nice? All nice and revamped, using items that we shopped from our home. You know, we can change up the look on a DIY that we did before and give ourselves something new and fresh for our home decor. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 1. So for our second DIY, I have another vase that I took apart, and I'm just going to add some crushed glass like before and seal it in and all that good stuff, and we'll come back. Okay, here's our vase for number 2, all dry and all that. And this time I'll be using some more of our spike bling. And I'll be using some hot glue to glue it going all the way around. And now I have some of our silver mirror tiles that I'll be placing with the self-adhesive on the back, going right around our vase. And here's the finished look for DIY number 2. That was quick and easy. Yes, it was. And I love how this one turned out also. Like I said before, shop throughout your home. And you can take something that you had before and turn it into something new and fresh, so you have a fresh decor for your home. And it was quick and easy. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of DIY number 2. Alright everyone, I hope I have inspired you to do 2 more lovely decor ideas for your home. And I hope you will give me a thumbs up for today's 2 DIYs. And if you're not subscribed, I do hope you will hit that subscribe button so you can come back and see more DIYs that I have to share with you. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. So remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petal is Blessed, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.